So, is there an Instagram screenshot story notification? Wanna know it? Let me help you. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you or explain you if there is an Instagram screenshot story notification. Now, if you open up Instagram app and head into the particular story here, you'll be able to view them and you can simply screenshot them by pressing the home button or power button and the volume down button, and it'll screenshot your screen right quick. Now, does Instagram notify when you screenshot a post or a story notification? No. You can screenshot or screen record someone else's post or story and they will not be notified. Stories, posts and reels are all safe from screenshot notifications. So yeah, Instagram doesn't notify when you take and screenshot of someone else's story or someone else takes the screenshot of your story. However, if you want to hide your story from particular someone, you can always set your account to private. Head into your profile and then head into the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and head into settings and privacy. And here head into accounts privacy and you can always toggle the switch on and your account will be private and the followers or the users that are not following you will not be able to look at your story or your post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.